Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss Indian visa. I have a lot of international clients who are looking for Indian visa, so they all requested for Indian visas video. So we have a honorable Prime Minister's photo on this portal. This is indianvisa.online.gov.in. So let us understand what is Indian visa. All foreign nationals entering India are required to possess a valid international travel document in form of national passport with a valid visa form on Indian Missions Post or e-visa. Limited categories from Bureau of Immigrations, Ministry of Home Affairs. And is the Indian visa is available now is the question. Yes, it is now possible to apply for tourist visa for India and travel to the countries on commercial flights, and previously it was only possible to travel to India on air bubble and flights, and from the certain countries foreign Indian citizens from more than 160 countries are get an Indian visa. And how much is the Indian visa? We have a lot of visas are available in India, and as we all know, medical visa and tourist visa, business visa, and medical attendance visa, a lot of other visas are accessible. Each depends between $35 to $59. You can make an online payment. Yeah, how do I pay for an Indian visa is also one of the question. In order to submit the applications for your Indian e-visa successfully, you will need to pay for the visa fee with your debit card or credit card. You may use a debit or credit card. Be sure to give a valid email address, as this is where you approved e-visa for India will be sent to once it has been properly processed. With that note, let us get into today's detailed informations about authorized portal for visa applications to India. And as it is already given, indianvisaonline.gov is the website, and Indian government also avail international Indian visa plus services through official portal or app. Indian visa Swagat mobile app for 60 countries, one stop shop for all the visa required services. So in order to apply, you have to go and click on for a e-visa by Bureau Immigrations. I just click it here. It will redirect, and before applying, it is also giving a brief information. E-visa applications process: apply online and pay e-visa free online, and receive ETA online and fly to India. So we have accessible to e-tourist visa, medical visa, e-business visa, e-medical attendance visa and emergency visa, and e-commercial visa also. Government of India makes no provisions to charging of any of emergency fees of additional fees for grant of any emergency express e-visa. Those travels to India are also advised to go through the instructions available on the website. So India is a multilinguistic country, multicultural, so tourists are attracted to visit our country. So without wasting much time, let us get in how to apply for e-visa. I just click here. It is redirecting to new page. You have to give all your basic informations, your passport number, national religion, and port of arrival and date of birth, the email ID. Email ID you have to re-enter, and the visa services and expected date of arrival. I'll pause it and fill all this information. Once you filled all the information, you have to fill e-tourist visa. What is the purpose that you are visiting? Once you select all those things, there are other categories also: e-medical visa, e-business visa, e-conference visa. I have selected e-tourist visa for 30 days, and we have to select the dates also. Okay, and I'll continue. And applicant recent color photograph. It should be less than 1 MB. Copy of passport page and containing personal particulars. Okay. Here we have to fill again all the informations. I have filled all the informations. All this informations are random, so I just save and continue. I have got the application ID also. So here you have to fill the your complete address, phone number, and permanent address, father's details, mother's details. I just pause it and fill it. If you have any occupations, that also you have to fill it. So here again I've filled all the permanent address, and the permanent address, if it is the same, you can click here. Father's details, mother's details, all random informations I have given, and the occupation list also have given the random information. So if you have a genuine information, you can go ahead and fill that. It is just for the video sake I have filled all this informations, random information. So I just go ahead and save and continue. It's getting saved. Now it got saved, and we have next page, and we already have got temporary applications number. I'll just copy and keep it for safer side, because when you wanted to re-log in and do any alteration, this will be useful for you. And the place to be visit, I have given the random informations here, and the name of the tour operators and the address of tour operators also you can give here informations, and durations of visit and number of entry, and the port of arrival in India, and expected port to exit from India, that you can select whichever the port you wanted to select, and exit from India. And have you ever visited India? If you yes, you have to fill all those informations. If no, you just say no. And has permissions to visit or extend to stay in India previous been refused? No, you can say. Country visited in last 10 years, you can say whichever the country that you visited last 10 years. And have you visited SAARC countries except your own country during 3 years? If yes, you can give which are the countries and the durations that you have to fill. If no, you can leave that. And reference name in India, and any random address you can fill, and phone numbers, and you can fill any random phone number. I'll save and continue. Detail required, district, I'll put Bangalore, and reference number, I'll put some random. Save and continue. This is an invalid character. Save and continue. Yeah. Have you ever been arrested, procedure, convicted by court of law of any of the countries? No. Have you ever been refused entry, deport by any of the country including India? No. And have you ever been engaged in human trafficking, drug trafficking, child abuse, crime against women, economic offense, and financial frauds? No. Have you ever been engaged in cybercrime, terrorist activities, sabotage and espionage and genocide, political killing, other act of violence? No. Have you ever by any means or mediums expressed view that justify or glorify terrorist violence, or that might encourage others to terrorist act or other serious criminal acts? No. Have you sought asylum, political or otherwise, in any country? No. So you have to give I, Deepti, hereby declare that the informations furnished above is correct to be the best of my knowledge and belief. In case the information is found false, at any stage I am eligible to for legal actions, depositions, or blacklisting, or any other actions of deemed fit by the government of India. With that, I'll give the declaration and save it. Yes, we have almost done, and we have to upload photograph. Temporary applications ID, we already saved this. Kindly ensure that the photograph has specified mentions below, and in case of you are not ready photo upload you do later, please note down the temporary applications ID, close the window and press save and exit. So I'll try to upload. I'll just choose the photo. The photo also is not the correct one. I just downloaded from the internet. I'm uploading that itself only. I crop and save it, and I'll save and continue. Once photo is ready, I'll just say yeah, all this informations. Kindly ensure the document is as per the specific mentioned below. All documents uploaded by the applications, including the business cards, invitations letter, etc., must be English language. Failing with e-visa applications would be liable to for rejections. Format should be PDF, size should be 10 KB and maximum 300 KB. Passport upload page of passport containing personal details like names, date of birth, nationality, expiry date, etc., to be uploaded by the applicant. Photo range of the passport upload and support to be issue same passport whose details are provided. Passport detail sections, the application is liable to rejections if the upload document is not clear as per the specifications. I'll say confirm. So here before that we have to upload for passport. This is also is not the right passport. I'm just uploading some random passport which is available on the internet. I just upload, view documents. Once you're done with that, I'll say I have verified all the documents are uploaded as per the requirement. I'll confirm. Once you're done with this is the applications form. You have to verify and continue. If you want, you can take a printout of it. I just save this so that it will be there on my desktop forever. So Indian visa, I just save it on my desktop, and yeah, I'll verified and continued. All the informations are in place, so I verified and continue. So generate the applications form. So here Deepthi and application ID is done, and pay now. The applications will be redirected to payment gateway to pay the visa fees and will be outside the control of visa online applications. The responsibility of security and transactions process and detail on payment pages will be payment gateway. Payment gateway accepts both OTP and non-OTP transaction. In case of any, please contact your bank applications ID will be blocked after 3 failed attempts of payment. In such cases, applicant has to apply again. On pressing pay later, you can pay the visa fees later using your application ID and date of birth. Please note that your applications for e-visa will not be submitted without free payment. It would be done prior to 4 days of journey date. And disclaimer, all travelers seeking admissions to India under the e-visa scheme are required to carry printout of the electric travel authorization ETA sent through the email by Bureau of Immigrations. If your e-visa application is approved, it establishes that you are admissible to enter India under the e-visa scheme of the government of India. Upon arrival in, if your e-visa India records with be examined by the immigrations officer. Biometrics details, photographs, fingerprints of the applicant shall be mandatorily captured upon arrival into India. Non compliance to do so would be lead to denial of entry into India. Determinations that you are not eligible for e-visa does not preclude you from applying for a regular visa in India mission. All information provided by you or your behalf designated third party must be true and correct. All electric travel authorizations may be revoked at any time for the reason whatsoever. So first you read this thoroughly, because you are coming to altogether a different country which has a multicultural, multi-language, lot of things are there. So better you read all these things. I the applicant hereby certify that I have read, understood the statement, questions, this applications, the answer and informations furnished in this applications are true and correct to the best of my knowledge and I believe. So you can generate the applications form first. It will be generated here, downloaded. If you say yes and continue, you can go ahead and pay now or pay later. Okay, so this is once you make the payment, you are done with that. You will get a passport, e-visa within 4 to 5 working days, sometimes 1 or 2 days also. While traveling, when you are visiting, you have to carry this e-visa for the Chennai airport whenever you are traveling, or when you're making the payment or visiting this embassy, you have to carry along with the photo stuck on this. That's all for the day, friends. I hope you have understood the end-to-end process of Indian e-visa, how to apply, how to make a payment, all these things we have discussed in detail. If you have any queries, any help, I have already given the email ID and the phone numbers and our website details on the description box. You can always contact us for approaching and applying any kind of this listed visa. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.